In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a message in Slack. Sharing a message in Slack is a simple way to keep conversations organized and make sure the right people see important updates without copying and pasting text manually. When you use Slack's built-in share feature, the original message keeps its formatting and appears as a neat preview, which makes it much easier for others to understand the context. To begin, open Slack either in the desktop app or in your web browser. Once you're inside your workspace, look over to the left-hand sidebar and open the channel or direct message conversation where the message is located. From there, scroll through the conversation until you find the exact message you want to share. It's worth taking a second here to make sure you've selected the correct message, especially in busy channels where several similar updates may appear close together. Next, move your mouse over that message. As you hover over it, a small shortcuts menu will appear in the upper right area of the message. In that menu, look for the curved arrow icon labeled Share Message. This is the option that lets you forward the message while preserving its original structure inside Slack. Click the Share Message icon and a pop-up window will appear. This is where you choose where the message should be sent. Click into the field labeled Share With, then type the name of the destination. If you want to send it to a channel, type the channel name with the hashtag. If you want to send it directly to a person, type their Slack handle with the @ symbol. As you type, Slack will usually suggest matching destinations, which can help you select the right one quickly. After choosing the destination, click into the Add a Note field. This part is optional, but it's very useful because it gives you a chance to explain why you're sharing the message or what the recipient should pay attention to. A short note can add valuable context and save time for everyone involved. Before sending, quickly review the destination and your note to confirm everything is correct. Then click the green share button in the bottom right corner of the window. Once you do that, Slack sends the message as an interactive preview card in the selected channel or direct message. One important thing to remember is that if the original message came from a private channel or private conversation, people who don't have access to that space may only see a notice that the message is from a private location. That's all there is to it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.